Hi, this is a quick video on how to set the date and time on the TS710 and FP720 programs. To start with, press any button on the screen and then click and hold OK for about 5 seconds. This will then give us the option to set the year using the arrows on the side. We then click OK to confirm, which then gives us the month. Press OK again to confirm, and the date. And press OK again. We'll then adjust the hours to make this correct. And click and hold it down to go a bit faster. We'll click OK again to confirm, and it will take us back to the home screen and shows that the correct date here and the time.